Second day trip. I have no acoustic, so you're further away. Same way as last time when we go to this 9-arch bridge, and now we go to a mountain called Adam's Peak, but the weather doesn't look promising, so let's see if we're gonna see something. So that's the way to Adam's Peak. I reached the way, but yeah, now it starts to rain, so let's see. I have to wait a bit. Hello. I already ordered. Okay. Only green. So after a few minutes, it looks like that. Good that I didn't went up. A few moments later. Now I show you the nice view from the restaurant, which saved me from the rain. Still a bit raining, but look at that. What a wonderful spot. That's beautiful nature, guys. And I think we have to hike up there. Or there, I don't know. Yeah, I would say that's okay. That's the benefit when you survive the rain.
Right when we get to the peak.
Huh? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, goats. Baby goat.
Is that the big one that has like 100?
Is this tea or what are they planting here? Tea?
Yeah, it is.
Green tea?
I don't know if black teas are black bushes, but...
Do you know which tea is this? Do you know which tea? Lipton, I.
Lipton.
Tea?
No, not Lipton. This is Halpi.
Halpi?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No cocoa.
What's Halpi? Or does it mean healthy?
No.
Hey man, one question. Which tea is this?
It's tea plus.
Tea plus.
Tea.
And which tea? Black tea or?
Black tea, green tea.
Black tea and green tea?
Green tea, yes.
Ah.
Tea plus.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So green tea they have here mainly. See beautiful view. Since 28, 14 days I guess. 14, yeah.
I haven't been here yet.
There's also an option for lazy people to go up with a tuk-tuk. And then you just walk a bit up to the little Adam's Peak. It's not this one. Oh yeah. A few hours. Yeah. So if you're here, go for sure to this pool place. They have also jacuzzis and everything. You can rent the pools and the places for one day, or you do the swing.
Yeah, they have swings.
Okay, that's more guy. I don't know what he's searching.
Wait, what happened? They took your drone? Yeah, like I took my drone propellers off and the batteries and just the controller and all separate bags of people. Yeah. And then they found the actual drone and they took it. Why? You're not allowed to bring it into the drone? So in Uganda they think you're gonna...
So if the hike is too less, you can do some climbing here. So you have a lot of stairs. I hate cardio. Everybody's happy?
Ah, man! That's a little peak, I don't know how big it one.
few more stairs.
This is my way.
Had to change the way a bit. Keeping entertaining.
Yeah, yours seem a little bit warmer too.
Yeah, it's black.
Imagine you're walking here and then you get the rain. We made it nearly at the top. So we made it. The little Adams Peak.
Nice.
Nice view.
Sun
Yeah,
contrast. Really nice.
awesome. Is this south? I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because that's the way I can drive in from the beach.
Yeah,
Past that hotel.
nice.
Just a bonus. It's not important.
Where's that water coming from?
From the mountain. And now we continue to this spot. Let's see. The Lidl is the famous because it's nearer to Ella,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
the tourists will just go here.
This is steep down as well.
Yeah. Down and up. I mean, if you want. Okay.
See how much down and how much up.
The same amount approximately.
Exactly, but what is that amount? This much.
This much. It's slippery. It's crap. Yeah.
It's doable.
It's fine, it will not rain.
Okay, if you say so.
Yes, just think positive.
Clouds become pink.
Yes, exactly.
And if it rains, it's not the end of the world.
Yeah, we just wait again 1 hour without beer.
That's a very good point.
You should have brought some beers with you. So now we made it to this small hill. We fucking made it.
Fucking insane. And now it's raining again.
Yeah.
And we're gonna mud that back.
What a wonderful view.
Why now?
Perfect timing.
My app was pretty good. It said 3:30 it will rain. And
So 1 more hour too early.
okay.
And now you got the funny addition that it starts raining again, which makes it even funnier on this mud road.
Yeah, exactly. And in fact, the water was warmer than the rain.
I don't know how I should dry my things.
Same view as before, just with rain. What a beautiful track. And that's life. Just hope my second phone doesn't die. It's really clever to go with flip-flops. So one tip I can give you: go up with your trekking shoes if it's not raining, and take spare parts of flip-flops with you in case we're going down, because these shoes are like soaked wet and this will take like 10 days to dry them. Or I have to find a laundry store which is doing it now because I'm leaving tomorrow morning. But yeah, let's see, my trousers are also wet as hell. Oh, now we're gonna check out this nice pool place. Since we're already wet, everybody, especially him.
I only have like a wooden.
Beautiful flowers.
We would like some beer, some sodas, and some hot stuff.
And some hard stuff. Christmas trees. What's the name of this place? What's the name? Ravana.
Ravana Pool Club.
Okay, thank you. The Ravana Pool Club.
Today we have some parties. Normally we are closed at 8 o'clock.
But it's probably Western. Like they see it from like Turkey in the US.
Homemade help tree.
This is totally normal.
Over there, yeah, they have the fields. So it looks like we have today the perfect day. Look at this beautiful weather. Wonderful.
What's a pool party without water?
You don't even have to go there.